Hello, watch fans. We are rolling with the Roadsters today, so get ready for a bumpy ride. Stay tuned. All right, so today we are going to change things up a little bit. Today we are rolling with the Roadsters. We're definitely going to have a good trip down memory lane. This has been one of my favorite pieces to see for a piece that's going to be a little bit different, something that's not traditionally rounded, but also I just feel it does give that sporty look. I can remember my dad as a kid putting on his leather gloves and just pulling them down and stretching them as he kind of rubbed the wheel on our Mercedes, and me going, okay, this has got to be it. And then also feeling that same way when he brought home that Audi and he's like, son, just get in, let's ride. And I'm just kind of mind blown, but I'm understanding that this is pure quality, pure luxury, and it's that opportunity to just enjoy and cruise. So a part of our Saturday and Sunday cruises became one of the watches that we're going to talk about today, the Roadster. This watch was only made for about 10 years. However, I think in that 10 years, it's made one of the biggest impacts on Cartier that you could actually find. And not just on Cartier, but it left a mark in the watch world forever. It is that piece that does give you that fine design, that gives you those beautiful curves that just remind you of sloping down the heels, all the way to the crown, actually giving you that engine feel. I mean, it's just that piece that really stands out. I love how sleek the design actually is. Even the screws have purpose. The actual lens that's going to be right above the date, not a Cyclops lens. Remember, that's Rolex. The Roadster has its own. Those curves actually just to give you that C1 feeling on the Corvette as well. The design to give you that Porsche 356. And speaking of that C1, I'm a C7 driver. I love the car. It's just a different feeling when me and one of the kids are in the car cruising on a Sunday and the top is off. There's something totally different about it. That's what you get from the Roadster. The Roadster gave you a few different looks, a few different colors, the most classic being inside that Roman dial. The Roman dial is timeless. It is just clean. It's giving you that sophistication that you need, that feel. So when you dive into that one as a chronograph, you get that extra clean look. It gives that larger, more masculine, more robust feel. But we can also go down to the mother of pearl. When you go to the mother of pearl, it gives a nice feature for a woman. So she also has that sleek road desire, but that mother of pearl gives it that class and that touch of elegance that you don't find everywhere. I love how it's accented with the pink as well. They do come in some different dial colors, different combinations. Perfect watch to do his and hers. And guess where you can find this one-of-a-kind piece? Right here at Swiss Watch Expo. I want you to tell us what your favorite Roadsters below. Let us know. Give us a call. And matter of fact, come and get them ordered and get them on the way. We look forward to hearing from you here at Swiss Watch Expo. And I'm Ro.